Guys, 1 minute fitness break. What can you do in 1 minute? You can balance. So, I don't know if it's because it's really cold outside and there's lots of ice on the road, but today we're going to do a really simple exercise that's going to strengthen your abs and your glutes and work your balance at the same time. They're one-legged one-legged deadlifts. So these simple, easy exercises you can do in your own home, as you can see, or do them at the gym. How do we do them? We're going to stand on one leg. We're going to cross your hands so that you keep your body nice and straight, and then we're going to lift one leg as we drop forward. So same as with a deadlift, but we're going to go up and then come right back down. Okay, so you want to lead with your ankle going, or your heel going up. So do a little side view. So as the heel goes up, your body comes down. At no point do you want to bend at the waist and collapse that, because then you're going to fall over. So everything's lifted. If you place your thumbs into the base of your rib cage and your fingertips on your hip bones, you want to keep that distance there. And then this is just for balance. You can place your hands really anywhere you want. If you want to hold them back here, you can do that. What happens is if you drop your arms forward, people tend to collapse in at the waist and they fall forward. So this will help strengthen and tone up the abdominals, strengthen up the glutes, because you're contracting everything in order to come forward. These are great balance exercises as a plyo exercise. Like I say, really simple and easy balance exercises. Guys, that's your 1 minute fitness break. I'm Penny Hounsome. I'm your favorite elite health coach, and I'm bringing you nothing but honest answers to those nagging fitness, health, and lifestyle questions. If you have any questions about your programming and need some help building your program for your body type, hit me up below and I can help you out. Until then, until tomorrow, that's your 1 minute fitness break.